एक बढ़िया है यार। ओके ओके ओके।
Respected dignitaries, please come forward for lighting the lamp.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
Parents, please give a huge round of applause.
कल्याणम् आरोग्यं
Symbolizes that the program has started.
विनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्
Our school is appreciating the best students of the year by giving a memento, and the parents participated in different activities conducted for the parents like MasterChef and Diwali Snacks Mystery Carnival. So let's start with the best students of the year. For that, I would request honorable dignitaries to come forward to give away the prizes and mementos. Ma'am, please. The best students' names are from Nursery Cadbury, Rishabh Shriram Sadre. I request the child to come on the stage to take away the prize. Parents, please give a big round of applause for your children. Your clapping motivates more. Arush Rangnath Bagal from Junior KG, Jasmine section. Our next best student is Shivraj Dadarao Pawar from Junior KG, Daisy section. Congratulations, winners. The next best student is Priyal Mahadev Pimpe from Senior KG, Venus section. Congratulations, Priyal. The next best student is Nishant Rameshwar Shirsagar from Senior KG Leo section. Congratulations, Nishant. Let's move towards the next winners of MasterChef competition conducted this year. This competition was organized for the fathers and sons who has given their best in the competition. Really, I would like to tell you, we have the best chefs with us today who have prepared delicious dishes. Also, through this competition, celebration, we have seen the wonderful bonding between father and son. So let's appreciate the winners by giving the prizes. The first prize from nursery class goes to Mr. Madhun Kumar. Congratulations, sir. There are two second prizes. The second prize goes to Mr. Tushar Daure from Junior KG DZ section. I request the father, please come on the dais. One more second prize goes to Mr. Sunil Sakhre from Senior KG Venus class. I request Mr. Sunil Sakhre, sir. Congratulations, sir. The third prize goes to Mr. Ajay Ukarde from Senior KG Venus section. Okay, sir is absent due to some unavoidable reason. There are 4 consolation prizes. The first consolation goes to okay, on behalf of Mr. Ajay Ukarde, his missus is going to take the prize. Congratulations, ma'am. There are 4 consolation prizes. The first consolation goes to Mr. Kailas Gaikwad, Junior KG Jasmine section. The second consolation goes to Mr. Ajinath Katskure from Senior KG Venus section. The next consolation prize goes to Mr. Sandeep Pagal from Senior KG Venus section. The next consolation goes to Mr. Bhaskar Wadikar from Senior KG Venus class. Thank you, sir, and congratulations all the winners. Let's move towards the next category. We have conducted Diwali Snacks Crispy Carnival for mothers. Really, I would like to share with you all that our students' mothers has prepared very delicious snacks like laddus, chakli, chiuda, and karanji. So here our school is going to appreciate and honor our lovely mother parent by giving away the prizes. So the laddu category goes to Mrs. Sharda Govind Guge. The first prize goes to Mrs. Sharda Govind Guge. I request ma'am to please come on the stage.